sorry. That's you. Happy haircut. Say hi. Ano turn it up?
On?
On lang.
Hindi lang na.
Higop talaga oh.
Kira, bulbusan ka lang?
Ha?
Bulbus?
Oh, don't press. Don't press. Just smile lang. Smile. Just smile lang.
Mga diri, ma'am.
Yung shoulder lang. Ayan.
Hindi rin?
Oh, yeah.
Kira, maglayawi, maglayawi na lang.
Mag-play away ba? Play away mode.
Alagaan ko lang sa kanya.
Langan dyan, brush na bilog, no?
Meron ako sa ay! Ang sakit, ang sakit, ang sakit. Ano?
It's a baby, ha? Lang.
Diba na, you follow Ate's instructions, please. So, return na.
Hindi na, ha?
Have your haircut na.
Move lang, ha?
Don't move, ha? Stay still lang.
Ano lang?
Bana, don't move. Look at the camera lang. Look at the camera.
Look at the camera lang. There you go.
Lahat na gamit ko ng buko lang ba?
Kasi naliligo. Pero ano, hindi natin pinasimba ng sa
Oo, sa doon din sa doon kayo sa loob ng una, di ba?
Yes, sir. Bali lang ni Diri. Muna yung hairline, ma'am?
Yes, gitna.
Dapat yan ha. No, it's taking so many hairs. Here.
Ano, baby?
Look at the camera lang.
Do not eat that ha. Do not eat.
Bobo ko.
Ay.
Bana po ito, stay still lang. Stay still. Look at the camera lang. Don't move. Don't move your head.
Yan, dalig supply. Sige. Yan.
Mga Diri lang, ma'am ba? Net. Ano dyan ako? Diri?
Look at that.
Diri?
Don't look up. Don't look up, Ibana. Look at the camera lang, please. Look at the camera. Don't move too much, please. Stay lang. Look in here. Look in here. Look here lang. Nahihirapan si ate. Ano? Like that lang. Like that.
Bidaw ng red, wala.
You rest lang your back. There, like that.
Hawira na
Not like that. Sorry.
Hawira na lang yung ulo, ma'am. Ma'am. Ha? Ano?
Wait, don't
Patulad ng
move,
tubig
Iban.
niya dati lang.
Yes, stop, yes, stop.
Ano mga ba?
Ano na? Yan, ayan. Ako, no, Iban.
Broken.
Mm-hmm.
Hey, stop holding my hand.
Sorry.
Boy, lumot.
Don't move too much, anak. Don't move too much, please.
Down your head lang ah.
Look down lang like that. You follow lang, mami. Down lang, down. Look down lang, look down, look down. Look here. Look here. Look at my hand.
Don't fix your nose.
No, iba na.
Why are you fixing your nose?
Because it is.
Itchy? Sorry.
Because of your hair? Gonna freeze.
Hindi.
Ano?
Makon, dito mo.
Ano yung ginagawa mo dyan?
Niludukot mo.
Hindi pa siya.
Daddy, freeze!
Freeze, iba na freeze. Don't move.
What they're doing?
Look, boy, you look better with short hair, anak.
Baby, gamulit siya. Hindi pa magkabalog. Daddy, wait lang. Down your head lang ha.
Ang hirap i-maintain ng mahabang hair eh. Kailangan lagi nakaipit.
Diba? Tama sila ka-vlog sa July. Wait lang, baby ha. Down your head lang.
Iba na, please. Iba na. Listen to ate.
Wait lang, baby girl. Daddy.
Iba na. Please.
Sige, down your head.
Down your head. Look down, iba na. Look down. Look down, look down, look down. Like that. Hindi ka naman ganyan kakulit dati ah.
Nanonood kasi siya nun. Meron ka pa?
Wala na, itatay nga yung phone ko eh.
Yung nakuha din. Ikaw mag-resolve sa sa'yo. Wala yun. Ajik, kubaw ba ako?
Short hair.
Yeah, short hair. Diba? It's better, it's lighter.
What's later?
What's lighter?
Wait
It's
lang,
not
baby,
heavy.
Mama.
We'll go to 7-Eleven later if you behave. You behave na. We'll go to 7-Eleven, yes.
Another one?
Choose what you want, yes.
Yeah, you eat later lang.
After the school.
Behave lang ha.
Behave lang, oh. Ate, sabi mo hard time. Siya, 1.5.
Oh. Same na lang sa mga naman.
Oh, meron ka.
Kulit.
Kulit, no? Grabe siya ng kulit.
Kung anong makita, tatapon.
Nagupitan nga namin sa macho mo. Hirap na hirap yung
Kung ako naggupit, so nakakakiman. Gunti.
makulit, no?
Umiyak na.
Cut your hair again.
It's kuya!
Kuya lang.
Wow!
Wow, you look good.
Pretty more na.
Look at you.
Look at you.
Are you a princess?
It's better. You look better.
Wait lang, baby ha?
Iba na. Wait, stay still lang. So, we're done na.
Space.
Ay, nako.
Gonna haircut kuya sa
Wait lang.
Iba na. Look at ate. Look at ate lang. Look at ate. Look at ate lang.
Nagwala yung front, no? Short yung front.
Kasi nakabang siya before.
Ah, tubo rin yan. Hindi na siya ibang smile.
Hindi na din. Hindi school kasi siya yun. Hirap ka nagtitipid ko palagi. Short hair ka na lang.
Kasi ako sa rin may fix kayo na.
Ano ba nag-wait?
Kaya mo kanina blower man na?
Sige na. Ba na? Wait na lang. Konti na lang, konti na lang. Okay. You want to hold Mommy's hand?
No.
No? Oh, okay, that's better. Ate will dry your hair, okay? We'll blow dry your hair.
I'm scared, ha?
Please scared. Okay.
Come here, Kuya. Short ka na ako gamay.
Parang,
Oh, ma'am. Tanang dia. Kalau lang kuat sih mo lang.
iba na, look down, look down.
Tingnan mo sobra.
Iba na, look down lang, look down, look down. Ah. Look down na anak, please.
What?
Look down, look down. Look down now. Good. Uwi na tayo, parang kanina yung style. Ha? What? Oh, sa hair.
Parang nakuhaan ko na ano nga, parang sini slash ng babay. Okay. Narabay, kung isip tayo siya lang, nakuhaan man. Slash na lang, babay, hindi kayo.
Ba, no, 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 no.